Annyeonghaseyo everyone, I'm your Korean language teacher Ahmed, and today our class is about Thidki and Ilki of chapter number 6. So first of all we have Ilki, this is reading. Question number 1 and 2. Thom next. Neyung is content, Gwa is with, Kwange inan is relation. Khurimal is picture, Khoro shipshio select. Game hada. Game hada is playing game. Game hago is samnida. I am playing game. So this is our answer number 2. Question number 2. Phabal, phab is rice. Mogo is eating. Moksam nida eating rice. So our answer is number 4. Question number 3 and 4. Thom next. Chong is between. Mitchul is underline. Chin bubun is the part. Madnan is better. Munjang sentence. Khoro shipshu select. Select the sentence which underline is correct. Number 1. Hugge shell. Hugge shell is lounge and rest area. A so. Shui samnida. This is wrong because the correct is shimnida. Number 2. Ki suksa. Ki suksa is dormitory. So Chongsu is cleaning. Chongsu is Hada format. Hasam Nida. Hasam Nida is wrong because the correct is Chongsu Ham Nida. Number 3. Shijang So Shijang is market. Khoil fruit. Sa Sam Nida. This is also wrong because correct is Sam Nida. Number 4. Shikdang So Shikdang is a restaurant. Chomshim is lunch. Mog samnida. This is correct because the last letter is a consonant. If the consonant, then we add samnida. If vowel, then we put bf under the word, then nida. Question number 4. Number 1. Chumal. Chumal is weekend. Chang e pha samnida. This is wrong because correct is chumare changal phasamnida. Number 2. OJ yesterday. Chingu friend. Chinguga mannasamnida. This is also wrong because the correct is OJ chingural mannasamnida. Number 3. Ilgupshiye. Ilgupshi is 7 o'clock. Ilgupshiye Thegan is ending work. Hessamnida. I ended my work at 7 o'clock. This is correct answer. Question number 5. Thom next. Kal is paragraph. Ilk is reading. Neyung content. Gwa with. Khatnan got is similar object. Khoro shipsho select. Hango ke in Korea. Chigjang is work. Indal is worker. Chulgan is starting work. Halte at the time of. Churo often. Thejong Kyothong. Kyothong is traffic and Thejong is big traffic like buses and trains. Ina is or. Kane is taxi. Sung Yong Cha. This is passenger car. Iyong use hamnida. Korean workers use buses, trains and taxis for going to their workplaces. Chomshim Shigan. This is lunchtime. Buthong usually. Yol Thushi Butho from 12 o'clock. Hanshi Kaji 1 p.m. Havesa company. Dongneo is colleague. Dongneo dal gwa with the colleague. Hamke is together. Mognan eat. Kyongu cause. Mansam nida more. The lunch time usually start from 12 to 1 p.m. and mostly company colleagues eat their lunch together. Thegan is ending work. Thebubun is almost. Yosashi 6 o'clock. Hajiman but ill work. Tha is all. Kanne is ended. Mut is cannot. Te at that time. Yagan is overtime. Hagi themnida doing. Mostly duty time ended at 6 p.m. But if the work is not complete, then they will do overtime. Thegan hue after work. Teamwork is teamwork. Thachigi vihe is all together. Sangsa is senior. Na or Dongryodal is colleagues. Haveshik is company eating party. Halte at that time is Samnida also have. After the work, they eat company dinner or company party with seniors and colleagues like a teamwork. Now let's see our answers. Number 1. Chikchang Indal workers Thegan Shigan duty of time. Chayuro un Chayuro is separate. Kyanggu is cause Mansam Nida many. The workers have their separate time of stopping their work. Now this is not correct because in the company the stopping time of work, ending time of work is the same, not individual. Number 2. Chigjang Indal workers Khunmu is work Shigan at work time. Chung is between. Dongryodal colleague Gwa with. Haveshik is company party Hamnida. Mostly the workers take their company party during the duty time. No, this is not correct because after their work they can eat dinner and a party. Number 3. Chigjang Indal workers Chulgan is starting work. Halte at that time. Bus is bus. Chiachol is train. Thada is a ride. Ansam Nida not riding. Workers not taking buses and trains for going their work. No, this is not answer because they use Thejung Kyothong. Thejung Kyothong is buses and trains and big transport. Number 4. Chigjang Indal workers Thebuvun is almost. Havesa company. Dongryodal is colleague. Hamke together. Chomshim lunch. Moksam Nida eat. This is our answer because all the colleagues mostly eat their lunch together with each other. Now there is our Thidki. Let's start listening.
1번부터 3번까지 다음을 듣고 들은 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오.
1번부터 3번까지 question number 1, 2, 3 다음 next 듣고 listen. 들은 내용 and listening content 과 with 관계 있는 is relation 그림 picture 고르십시오 select.
1번
몇 시에 점심을 먹었습니까?
몇 시에 점심을 먹었습니까? This is question and past tense. Which time you eat your lunch?
12시 반에 먹었습니다.
12시 반에 먹었습니다. This is answer because he said at 12:30 I ate my lunch.
2번 오늘 저녁에 뭐 합니까?
오늘 저녁에 today evening 뭐 합니까? What you are going to do?
커피숍에서 친구를 만납니다.
커피숍에서 친구를 만납니다. I will meet my friend at coffee shop. So our answer is number 4.
오전에 뭐 했습니까?
What you did in the morning time?
공원에서 산책했습니다.
공원 is park. 공원에서 산책 is walk. I walk in a park. This is our answer.
4번부터 5번까지 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
Question number 4 and 5. 다음 next. 듣고 listen. 무르메 is question. 알맞은 is better. 대답 answer 고르십시오 select.
4번. 몇 시에 출근합니까?
몇 시에 출근합니까? Which time you start your work?
1. 매일 출근합니다.
매일 출근합니다. I start my work daily.
2. 버스로 출근합니다.
버스로 출근합니다. I go to my work by bus.
3. 아침 8시에 출근합니다.
In the morning, 8 o'clock, I start my work. This is our answer.
4. 칼로 씨하고 같이 출근합니다.
Carlo 씨하고 같이 with Carlo. 같이 is together. 출근합니다. I start my work.
5번. 어디에서 저녁을 먹습니까?
어디에서 from where 저녁을 is dinner 먹습니까? You take.
1. 7시에 먹습니다.
7시에 먹습니다. I eat at 7 o'clock.
2. 비빔밥을 먹습니다.
비빔밥을 먹습니다. I eat 비빔밥.
3. 기숙사에서 먹습니다.
기숙사 dormitory에서 먹습니다. I eat my dinner in my home, my room. This is our answer.
4. 반장님하고 먹습니다.
반장님 is supervisor and senior 하고 with 먹습니다. I eat with my senior. So this is not correct.